Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep raccoons away from your chickens. This video will explore everything you need to know and provide methods to keep your chickens free from the nuisance of raccoons, so make sure you stick around for that. Repel them using certain scents. Raccoons have extremely sensitive noses and tend to dislike certain scents. You can use peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, ammonia, or DIY methods like mixing hot sauce and cayenne pepper in a spray bottle and applying these scents near your chickens to repel them. Applying these scents around your chicken coop may deter raccoons from approaching your chickens. You will need to reapply these scents frequently as they tend to fade away, especially after rainy days. Be careful when using certain products to avoid irritating your chicken's respiratory tract. Using motion-censored lights and sprinklers. Raccoons are usually nocturnal animals moving at night while looking for food. Installing motion-activated lights or sprinklers near your chicken coop or around the perimeter fence can startle them whenever they approach. The sudden bright flash of light will scare them and deter them from returning. Fencing your chicken coops. Another way to keep raccoons at bay is by installing a fence. Ensure you use a quality, durable material for this. It is recommended to use 1-inch coated wire mesh as it's nearly impossible for raccoons to bend or tear through. And since raccoons are excellent climbers, make the fence height around 6 feet with the top angling outwards. Raccoons can also dig through the ground, so ensure the fence is also buried at least 14 inches deep into the ground. Make any necessary repairs to existing fence holes, as raccoons may be able to get through them. Using an electric fence can also be an effective way to deter raccoons from approaching your chickens. Seal your garbage cans well. With a great sense of smell, raccoons can be attracted to your home compound by the stench emitted from your garbage cans. Ensure you have secured your garbage cans with tight lids that won't come off even when the trash can is tipped over. Additionally, store these garbage cans a safe distance away from your chickens. You can even opt to use garbage cans fitted with animal-proof latches to prevent the raccoons from scavenging in them. Ensure that there is no food lying around on the ground. Also, make sure your compound is clean and that all waste is securely disposed in your designated trash cans. So there you have it. Raccoons can be annoying, especially when they turn your chicken coops into their feeding ground. Keeping them away from your chickens should now be easy. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.